Map Q, animated globe zooms in on ocean floor. Imagine one cut could black out entire cities. Undersea power cables are the silent veins of global energy, yet almost no one thinks about them. Cut, footage of cables being laid underwater. These cables quietly connect countries, carrying electricity across borders, beneath thousands of miles of ocean. Cut, home light switches, phone charging. Think of it like the extension cord behind your TV. If someone yanks it, your screen goes dark. Now, imagine that cord powers not just your TV, but your entire city. Cut, map tracing cable routes from Europe to Africa. Most of these cables are owned by a handful of countries and private companies. If a rival nation or group wanted to disrupt power, they could target these cables. No bombs, just a snip underwater. Cut, news headlines, blackouts, rising energy prices. The result? Massive blackouts, spiking bills, and chaos in global markets. Cut, animated lock over a cable. As more nations race to build their own cables, the risk of sabotage and monopoly grows. Cut, close up on worried faces, flickering lights. Are we ready for a future where power can be cut with a single snip? Cut, text on screen. Who should control this invisible lifeline? Governments, companies, or an international body?